Hello people, greetings from wherever you're watching. I'm Joe, your tech handyman. In this video, I will show you how to generate music tracks of all genres using an AI tool. You can use this AI music generator to create custom background sound for your YouTube videos, royalty-free. If you're ready, let's do this together.
So guys, head over to mobet.com. This is the landing page. This is how it looks. You can see human times AI generative music for video content, podcasts and apps. So there are 3 tiers here. For content creators, that is Mobet Render, and you have the Mobet Studio for artists, and you also have the Mobet extension for content creators as well. But we're just going to click on generate a track now real quick. It takes you to this place now. You can choose to generate a track or loop, a mix or a jingle, but we leave it at track. So once that is selected, just type in a prompt here describing your music. I will quickly type a love song for my girlfriend's birthday. That's the prompt I want to generate the music with. Now here you set the duration, how long you want the music to go. You can actually choose genres here, mood, activities, but I choose to type in. So once done, just click on generate. Now in a matter of seconds, you already have the track right there. So if you click on play and listen, So guys, you can see how easy it is to generate a track, something you will spend hours and hours in the studio. You're just doing it here in a jiffy. So here are popular playlists that other people have created, and this thing is just royalty free. This music you create from here, royalty free. If you scroll down, you see some of the top tracks that other people have created, all over the whole place. So people are already on this particular. You can use it to create custom tracks for your YouTube video. So remember to follow the same process by entering a prompt or selecting a mood, activities or anything, setting your duration and clicking on generate track. As simple as that. Once you are done, you see the music appears here, so you can click on download this button. When you click on add to my downloads, from here you'll be downloaded to your system. So but before you download, you have to create a free account, or you log in. Either ways, guys, try this out and see what you can make of it. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in the next.